Well, we're back at it again, and we've managed to flip the boat over, and now I can do a quick inspection of the hull and fix whatever needs to be fixed. So I'm going to do a little inspection here, and there are some parts that I know need to be touched up. Obviously, I am going to repaint the entire hull because there's a lot of scratches on it. But I need to look for obvious things like popped out screws or ring nails, scratches or cracks in the hull that need to be sealed up. The other thing I am going to do is remove this trim tab here. It's a fairly easy process. I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 large wood screws. And these turnbuckles are fastened to the motor board with 4 bolts that go right through there. I'm going to leave the motor plate on. So let's have a quick look here and see what the hull looks like now that we have it turned over. This is the plywood decking, so it's much easier to sand it off now that it's upside down. So there's some scratches along the chine here. Doesn't look like there's much damage in terms of hull through here. If we go to the hull, these are some repairs that I've done over the years. This is where ring nails have popped through and then gone through the finish. So this I need to sand down and flush. There's one there. There's a couple of more there. Actually, in this whole area, there's 6 of them that I have repaired, just filled in with high density epoxy there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a small one there. There's a crack along here. I have to sand this down. This is just scuffed up a little bit. This area right there, that's a ring nail that's going to pop out, so I need to address that. Actually, what I should do is get a marker here and circle these things here just so they are easier to see. I don't think this is anything in particular here, but obviously I need to buff that out. These are fairly obvious here. And then keep going around here. Not too sure what that is, but I'll circle that. Things look pretty good here. It's fine. And back up here again, there's a repair job I did there. And it's a crack, and you can see that's a ring nail that's exposed there. So I need to pull that out, shove some high density epoxy through there, just to prevent those nails from popping out again. And again, there's a crack there that I need to take care of. And it looks like along here, there's a crack in the finish here. Looks like that might be another ring nail. Just gonna pop out right about there. And everything else here looks pretty good. There's a little ding right there I need to take care of. These are the screw holes from the trim that I removed, so they're okay. So that's kind of where I am right now. Done a quick inspection, and now I'm going to start sanding and repairing and then reapply some epoxy and get it repainted again. So, yeah, that's my job for the next little while, and we'll be back again at some point.